So hi guys, today I'm going to draw a articulated rod in Radial engine. So these are the views and dimension of articulated rod. You can see this is the top view and this is the sectional view. And you can see the dimensions of the rod. Here we have one end uh, which is having a height of 42 mm and other end which is having a height of 28 mm, and both the ends having different diameters. So what we can do is drawing first this end and then drawing this end and then drawing the middle section. So let's draw this. First go to part design, select any axis on which you want to draw the articulated rod. First of all, draw one end. This end is having a diameter of 35 mm, yeah, and pad this surface, pad this element both side. It is having a height of 42, that means 21 mm. Now uh, another end which is at a certain distance apart from the previous one, and it is 24 mm of diameter. Now this circle is 178 mm distance apart. Again, use pad command. This end having a height of 28 mm. Okay, so now we have to draw a middle section. Select the axis. Okay, so first of all, draw a axis and a line. This line is at a distance of 9 mm from the center. We want it from both sides. Join these ends and use pad command. So now this middle section is having a height of 18 mm. So yeah, and we're having a fillet of 24 mm on these four edges. This one, this one, this, and this 24 mm. Right. Now we have a slot on the middle element. So we can draw that by this tool called elongated hole. It's having a radius of 5 mm and it is 24 mm apart from this end, and it is of 130 mm long. Now it is having a slot of 9 minus 1.5. at both the sides mirror, and at last we're having a hole here. Hole is concentric and it's having a diameter of 24 up to last. Again on this side, hole is 15 mm diameter and this hole is concentric to this circle up to last. Okay, so this is our articulated rod which is used in radial engine along with piston and connecting rod and all of this. So thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned to the channel. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.